Welcome to 365 Math. In this video, I'll be talking about indices and the 4 basic rules of indices. So when we're talking about indices, you see a number written as this, whereby this 2 right here is what we call the base, and this 3 right here is what we call the power or the index. Some call it an exponent. And how you read this, you say 2 is raised to the power of 3. And what it means is the base 2 is multiplied by itself 3 times. So rewriting this would be 2 times 2 times 2. This is the same as saying 2 to the power of 3, and we get our answer as 8. Moving on to the rules, we have rule number 1. If the base is 1, the answer will always be 1. And what I mean by that is if we have 1 to the power of 20, the answer would be equal to 1. Remember, this 1 is the base and then 20 is the power. 1 multiplying by itself 20 times will give us 1. And if we have, for example, 1 to the power of negative 10, again, we still get our answer as 1. Even if we have 1 to the power of 100, the answer will always remain as 1. Even if it is also raised to a fraction, for example, 1 to the power of 2 over 3, our answer will always be 1. And then rule number 2, anything raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. If we have, for example, 20 to the power of 0, we have our answer as 1. And if we have 7 to the power of 0, our answer would be 1. The same if we have a fraction, for example, 2 over 3 to the power of 0, our answer would be equal to 1. Even if we have 212 to the power of 0, our answer will always be 1. So anything raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Even if you have a letter or a variable, for example, a to the power of 0, our answer will remain as 1. And then rule number 3, anything raised to the power of 1 is just itself. What I mean by this is if we have 5 to the power of 1, the answer would be 5. So the itself refers to the base, which is 5 in this case. 5 to the power of 1 is equal to 5. If we have a variable, a letter such as a to the power of 1, our answer would be equal to a because a is the base. And if we have 17 to the power of 1, our answer will always be the base, which is 17. And then rule number 4, anything raised to the power of a negative number is rewritten as the reciprocal before simplifying it. And we are going to delve deeper using this rule in the videos to follow. So what I mean by this, if we have, for example, a to the power of negative n, our answer would be 1 over a to the power of n. So the n becomes a positive when you rewrite it as a reciprocal. And if we have 5 to the power of negative 1, we would rewrite it as 1 over 5 to the power of 1. And lastly, if we have 7 to the power of negative 2, we'll rewrite it as 1 over 7 to the power of 2. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching. Please do hit the subscribe button. Comment if there's anything that you want me to look at. I'll see you in the next video.